Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of the Suncoast Beach Club. This is the model unit that they have up. Now recently the Prime Minister opened this development. They had a groundbreaking ceremony out here. It was actually the same day that they opened the Southern Coastal Highway. So this development is going to be luxury homes. Can you imagine luxury homes in St. Thomas? The highway from Kingston to Yalos allows you to get to this development in probably 7 minutes. 7 minutes from Kingston. It's 4 minutes from Kingston to Bull Bay and 15 minutes from Kingston to Yalos. And this development is by, I think it's 12 miles Bull Bay. And that's actually the highway that you can see in the background. Now the development is going to be 90 acres. So it goes on, there's a tunnel there, you can see that goes under the road to the other side of the development. So this is one of the new developments that are opening up or that are being done in St. Thomas because of the highway. As you can see, very nice units. St. Thomas is also going to get hotels. It's just a matter of time before they build an urban center over here, as the highway has definitely opened up this side of the island to investments. The developer of this development actually said it's because of the highway why they chose to build this, why they chose to build these homes over here. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour as we show you the model units for this development. Alright guys, have a good day.